Welcome to Animals in Arabic Part 2. Test your knowledge and have fun learning new words. Let's get started. Question 1. Which animal is called khruf in Arabic? Is it a sheep or is it a horse? Answer: sheep. That's absolutely correct. Great start. Keep it going. Question 2. What does gemon mean in English? Is it a donkey or is it a camel? Camel. Spot on. Excellent work. You're doing fantastic. Question 3. Which animal is called hisan in Arabic? Is it a horse? Is it a goat? Horse. That's correct. Amazing job. Keep up the great effort. Question 4. Which animal is named Bakra? Is it a cow or is it a goat? Cow! Yes, that's the correct answer. Well done. You're smashing it.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.